Hello, I'm Sue Grant and today we are revisiting Oyster 575 Sophistikate with a second video, having a look at some of the things that we forgot to tell you about in our first video. Now first we're going to look at the Reckman, which she's got hydraulic furling on both stays. There's a Lumar Commander power pack with twin motors to drive this and the main and other functions that the yacht has. Makes it very easy to handle. And then we're going to go back and have a look. The spinnaker pole is stowed on the mast. It's carbon, it's Formula 1, and that's a very neat fitting. Rig's in good shape. It's totally overhauled in 2017. Powered furling on the main, of course. And then we're going to walk aft. You see she's got all these great covers over everything, all in great shape, in this sand colour. Perfect. She is looking very nice on a cold December day in Palma. And then we didn't really show you some of the storage. And so here we have the lockers open, and the aft lazarette is an absolutely huge area. Just have a look in there. And so here we are below, oak interior. She's looking really lovely. Now we're on the quest of showing you storage again. This is the VIP guest cabin. And if we open this up on gas struts, the sails are living in here at the moment. Absolutely enormous area, which is jolly useful to have. Wave to Addie from Berthon, Spain. And then this upper and lower berth cabin, this Pullman comes down. So if you wish it, this can be a sofa area and make an extra dressing room area for the forward cabin if you would like. And then here's a TV, Samsung. For this part of it. It's also got DVD player, and then we've got a Sony pop-up TV in the main saloon, again with DVD. And you see this handhold. This is jolly useful if you come down when you're at sea. It means that you don't get thrown around. You're always secure in the boat. And here is a very important piece of equipment. This is the U-line ice maker. Addie's just going to show you. There we go. Nicely hidden away. Essential for warm water cruising. And then we're going to have a look at the fourth cabin. This is a work area. This is all a great place for storage. Cockpit cushions come here, and it's also a great work area when you're cruising if you want to do some engineering or tidying up of systems. And here we're in the engine room. Just down here, we'll show you the main engine. Fantastic access. Really easy to get to everything, which is so important when you're cruising and you want to service things regularly, or if something goes a little bit wrong. Here, a filtered fresh water system. and also, really importantly, quokka. So you've got instant hot water and you never need to boil a kettle again. That is really fantastic. It also cuts down hugely on water consumption. This is a Bosch washer dryer, which is essential again if you're going to sail far. And this is also pretty nice. Fisher Paykel dishwasher. Great to have. And then this is very special. This is Neff. It's got an induction top, all electric, and this whole box of tricks in custom stainless steel, and it gimbals. Now we're in the owner's cabin. Lovely area, great desk here, fantastic space to spend time. And here is a mirror TV. It's a mirror until you turn it on, then it's a TV. It's also got iPod docking, DVD. We're going back into the main saloon. So there we are, a little bit more about SOPHISTIKATE.